Hi, I'm Susie from Susie Cycles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your bicycle. Whether old or new, expensive or not, you want to keep your bike safe. Unfortunately, bike theft is a thing. According to Project 529, over 2 million bicycles get stolen each year across North America. That means one bicycle every 30 seconds. There's a saying that the safest your bike can be is with you on the saddle, meaning every other time you want to keep your bike locked. While no lock guarantees the safety of your bike, because with enough time and the right tools and determination, someone can steal your bike. But there are some best practices that you can do to reduce this risk. 1. Get a good lock. There are many types of locks out there. I use an ABUS folding lock that looks like this. I've had this for 6 years. I love it. It is made from hardened steel. It's nice and compact, so it fits right onto my frame. It's a bit on the expensive side and it's a little finicky to learn how to use, but once you get the knack of it, it's all good. Number 2 is to find a good place and a secure object to lock your bike to. There are lots of things you can lock your bike to. Bike racks like this, or street poles, parking meters. Be mindful not to lock your bike to a bus stop post or any hand railings. The important thing to remember here is that whatever you lock your bike to, make sure it's secured to the ground. Good tip is when you go up to a street pole or a bike rack, give it a shake. If it wobbles, don't use it. The third thing to know is to lock both your frame and wheel to the object. You can lock your front wheel or the back wheel. It's important to lock your wheel and frame to whatever you're securing the bike to. Wheels are often secured to a bike by a quick release skewer or a bolt which can be easily removed. If the wheel is the only thing attached to the rack, then the rest of the bike is vulnerable. A good way to make sure that both the front wheel and the rear wheel and the frame are secure is to use a lock and a cable like this. If you don't have a cable, 2 locks will also work. What you want to do is wrap the cable around the front wheel and the frame, and we're using the lock, wrap it around the rear wheel, attach the cable to the lock, and voila, there you have it, a very secure bike.